In this presentation, let's see about some of the basics about food preservation techniques. This is Dr. Cynthia from the Department of Food Processing Technology, PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Before learning about the preservation techniques, let's know the reason behind the need of food preservation. Food preservation are methods by which food is kept from spoilage after harvest or slaughter. Such practices date to prehistoric times. Among the preservation techniques, the oldest one are drying, refrigeration, and fermentation. Added to them, the modern methods include canning, pasteurization, freezing, irradiation, and the addition of chemicals. Recent advancements include packaging materials playing an important role in food preservation. Food preservation is defined as the science which deals with the process of prevention of decay or spoilage of food, thus allowing it to be stored in a fit condition for future use. It has also been described as the state in which any food may be retained over a period of time without being contaminated by pathogenic organism and without losing optimum qualities of color, texture, flavor, and nutritive value. Thus, looking into the importance of food preservation, it plays a major role in extending the shelf life of foods, making the seasoned foods available throughout the year, saving time by reducing preparation time and energy, stabilizing prices of food as there is less scope of shortage of supply to demand, decreasing wastage of food by preventing decay or spoilage of food, improving the nutrition of the population. The application of preservation techniques varies according to the type of food and ease of spoilage. Based on the ease of spoilage, the food is being classified into non-perishable foods, foods that do not spoil unless handled carefully; semi-perishable foods, foods those remain unspoiled for a fairly long period; perishable foods, foods that spoil readily unless special preservative methods are used. The basic techniques of food preservation used commonly in food industry are pickling, salting, smoking, canning, bottling, pasteurization, refrigeration, sterilization, dehydration, chemical additives, and irradiation. Now let's look into the principle and application of each preservation techniques. Pickling. Pickling is the process of extending the shelf life of food by anaerobic fermentation in brine or immersion in vinegar. It improves the texture, taste, and flavor of food. The food preserved is referred as pickle. Vegetables, fruits, meat, and fish are the foods generally pickled. The next preservation technique, salting, is the preservation of food with dry edible salt. It is related to pickling in general and more specifically is one form of curing. It is one of the oldest methods of preserving food, and two historically significant salt-cured foods are salted fish and salt-cured meat. Smoking is the preservation technique achieved through cooking meat and other foods over a fire. Wood chips is used as medium to give a smoky flavor to the food. Hams, pork, roasts, bacon, beef briskets, whole poultry, salmon, herring, and oysters are the food smoked regularly. Canning. Canning is a method of preserving food by sealing the processed food contents in an airtight container. The shelf life of canned foods ranges from 1 to 5 years. Bottling. It is the process of preserving foods, in particular fruits, vegetables and meats, by packing into glass jars and heating jars to create a vacuum seal. Pasteurization is the process of applying mild heat, usually less than 100 degrees Celsius, to eliminate pathogens in packaged and non-packaged foods. The process destroys or deactivates organisms and enzymes that causes spoilage. Sterilization. This is the process of preservation that involves killing of all forms of microorganisms through application of heat, chemicals, irradiation, high pressure and filtration. Refrigeration. The term refrigeration refers to cooling a space, substance or system below the ambient temperature to control food spoilage. Dehydration is the process of reducing moisture of food to low levels for improved shelf life. It is a preservation obtained as a result of depression of water activity. As a result of dehydration, the food becomes weightless and is converted into a more convenient form. Food additives. Addition of substances directly or indirectly into food in order to preserve flavor or enhance its taste, appearance or other qualities is another important preservation technique. Irradiation. It is the method of application of ionizing radiation in the form of gamma rays, X-rays and electron beam to improve the food safety and extend the shelf life of foods by killing microorganisms. Thus, application of various food preservation techniques, either individually or in combined form, provide us a safe food with good sensory quality and in a convenient form. These food preservation techniques are flexible, that they can be altered according to the nature of food and requirements. So, from the above techniques learned, shall we recall a few through Quizlets? Answer the following Quizlets. The process of preserving food by maintaining in salt and vinegar is referred as. Low heating to take all moisture out is referred as. Boiling foods and putting in cans to keep out bacteria is referred as. Preserving food by exposing it to smoke from burning wood chips is referred as. The use of rays on food to eliminate bacteria is referred as. Answer them and recall. Thank you.